Get ready for an epic 5-day Greek Odyssey. Picture yourself wandering ancient ruins, soaking up sun on island beaches, and savoring mouth-watering local eats. From Athens' historic heart to Mykonos' vibrant shores, we've packed this trip with insider secrets to make it unforgettable. Buckle up. Your Greek adventure starts now. Day 1, Athens, Parthenon views and living streets. Launch your trip at the Acropolis, perfect if you're lodging at Athens Center Square Hotel or budget-friendly City Circus Athens. This legendary hilltop isn't just a pile of old stones, it's the heart of historic Greece where myths and power collide. Envision standing where philosophers debated and warriors prayed, surrounded by ruins that have seen 2,500 years of history. Hit it at 8 a.m. when it opens for a serene start before crowds swarm. The Parthenon, a jaw-dropping temple built for Athena, goddess of wisdom, looms above with its massive marble columns, still majestic despite time's wear. Grab the $32 combo ticket. It covers this iconic site and others like the Ancient Agora for 5 days, beating single-entry prices. Afterward, head to the Acropolis Museum, a sleek modern space brimming with treasures from the hill. Perfect to visit right after the Acropolis to dive deeper into its story. Inside, you'll uncover 4,000 artifacts, including the stunning caryatids, elegant female statues carved to hold up the Erechthion's porch, their flowing robes a testament to ancient artistry still standing strong. The museum's glass floors let you peer down at ruins beneath your feet, while massive windows frame breathtaking views of the Acropolis itself. Wrap up at the upstairs cafe. Sip a cheap drink and soak in the scenery. It's a quiet breather before the day ramps up. As midday rolls in, explore Plaka, a charming neighborhood tucked beneath the Acropolis. Known as the neighborhood of the gods, it bends old-world beauty with a lively buzz. Winding streets brim with colorful neoclassical houses and small shops selling handmade treasures like leather shoes and wooden carvings. Stop at the Myandros restaurant for authentic Greek bites like juicy grilled meats or creamy dips for $11 to $16, dodging those steep tourist prices. Craving calm? Slip into Anaphotika, a serene pocket with white houses and blue shutters that feels like an island hideaway. Then climb to the top of Stratonos Street for a sweeping city view that'll steal your breath away. Cap off your day at Monastiraki Square, a vibrant hub that hums with life. A quaint Byzantine church anchors the scene, but the real pulse beats in the narrow lanes fanning out. Think a chaotic bazaar crammed with stalls peddling souvenirs, quirky clothes, and glinting jewelry. Sundays crank it up with the Avicinas Square Flea Market, where antiques and dusty old books tempt bargain hunters. Get there early to score the good stuff. As night settles in, climb to A for Athens, a rooftop gem. Sip a drink and watch the Acropolis light up against the inky sky, a fitting finale to your first day. Day 2, Delphi, sacred ruins and mountain views. Day 2 brings you to Delphi, a mystical haven the old seers called the navel of the world, where the oracle's cryptic prophecies once steered kings and empires from her perch in the rugged mountains. It's a can't miss for history lovers and dreamers, with ruins whispering tales of a mighty past. Catch the 7:30 a.m. KTEL bus from Athens Terminal B for $16 each way. A 3-hour ride dropping you at 10:30 a.m. before the crowds, or rent a car for $42 to $64 a day to cruise through stunning peaks on your own. Guided tours cost $48 to $96 with lunch, but solo saves cash and freedom. Entries $20 covering the ruins and museum. Begin on the Sacred Way, the old pilgrimage path lined with weathered treasures, winding past stone relics to the Temple of Apollo, where the priestess once spoke. Climb to the theater for sweeping valley views, dazzling in the morning sun, then hit the well-preserved stadium, where bygone races roared. By midday, refuel the Delphi's quaint town at Taverna to Patrico, where hearty mountain fare like tender roasted lamb or tangy fresh cheese warms you up after the morning's trek. Next, step into the Delphi Archaeological Museum, included in your entry. It's a trove of wonders, spotlighting the iconic bronze charioteer, a lifelike masterpiece, reins taut, eyes piercing as if he's still racing through time. Catch the 4 p.m. bus back to Athens, then unwind the night in Psiri, a buzzing district off the tourist trail. Hit Aeneas for bold Greek flavors like succulent meats or zesty dips, a laid-back finish to the day. Day 3, Santorini, volcanic beauty and sunset moments. You're midway through your trip and Santorini beckons, a volcanic marvel where sheer cliffs plunge into the shimmering Aegean, forged by a primeval eruption that still echoes in its wild beauty. From Athens, hop the Blue Star Ferry at Piraeus Port for $42 to $64, a 5-hour sail from dawn past endless sea vistas that captivate the senses, or fly from Athens Airport in 45 minutes for $85 to $160. Touching down by morning, you'll land in Fira, where whitewashed villages cling to the caldera's edge, their domes a stark contrast to the deep blue waves below. Staying in nearby Carteridos, like at Pension George, keeps you close to the action with a welcoming charm. Local buses just $2 to $3 per ride weave effortlessly between every must-see spot. Once in Fira, ditch the overpriced cafes and their steep tabs. Instead, take the free winding path from the main square down to the old port. It's a steep, zigzagging trail of about 600 stone steps, dropping 260 meters to the sea. A workout that skips the costly cable car or donkey rides and rewards you with the caldera's full glory. Rugged black cliffs tower over waves that glitter like sapphires under the midday sun. Refuel at Nicolas Taverna, where fresh-caught fish and hearty local beans run $10 to $16. Honest island flavors that won't break the bank. Then roam Fira's labyrinth of shops, brimming with hand-painted pottery in earthy hues and bottles of Santorini's crisp volcanic wine, or keepsakes begging to be browsed. Later, head to Fira's central bus station just below the main square. Grab a $2 bus for a 20-minute ride south to Akrotiri, 7 miles away, where entry's $13. This lost town, entombed by volcanic ash millennia ago, unveils a time capsule. Intact homes with faded wall paintings of fishermen and saffron gatherers whispering secrets of a lost Bronze Age life. Afterward, take a short bus jaunt less than a mile further to Red Beach. Its rust-red cliffs, sculpted by the island's fiery past, plunge into crystal-clear water, a raw, free slice of nature that begs for a towel and a dip. Buses from this handy hub keep the trek effortless. In the evening, journey from Akrotiri back to Fira's central bus station with a $2 ride, 20 minutes, then catch another $2 bus north to Oya, about 15 miles away, for its legendary sunset. Skip pricey restaurant seats, perch at the castle ruins or a quiet nearby path instead. The sun sinks below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery orange and soft pink, a spellbinding free show. Afterward, settle into Lazza Restaurant, savoring grilled seafood with a caldera view. Delicious and wallet-friendly. Then hop a bus back to Fira or Carteridos, just 15 to 20 minutes from tomorrow's ferry at Athenios. Stay overnight there at spots like Pension George for a smooth start. Day 4, Santorini to Mykonos. Island charm and ocean vibes. Day 4 sweeps you to Mykonos, a sleek island alive with flair. After your Santorini stay, smartly based near Fira or Carteridos, head to Athenios Port, just 5 miles south of Fira, for a 10 a.m. Sea Jets ferry. It's $85. Book early for $68 to $72. A swift 2-hour sail from Santorini's volcanic cliffs to Mykonos' whitewashed allure. From Fira's central bus station, a quick bus or taxi ride lands you at Athenios in under 20 minutes. Aim for 9:30 a.m. arrival. In Mykonos, settle at Chill Out Studio near Little Venice, steps from the Buzz, or opt for a budget hideaway outside town. Buses tie it all together. Arrive around midday and dive into Mykonos town, where the iconic windmills, hulking relics from Venetian days, loom against a cobalt sky, their weathered sails begging for a snapshot. Stroll to Little Venice, a row of candy-colored houses teetering over the sea, waves lapping at their foundations like a painter's dream. Skip the harbor's overpriced grub and hunt down gyros, a few streets inland, juicy and cheap. Weave through the shops brimming with trinkets, haggle hard, it's half the fun. Later, after soaking in Mykonos town, hop a bus to Agios Stefanos Beach, a quick 15-minute ride north. Ditch the packed spots with overpriced chairs. This sweep of golden sand gleams with glassy water and a laid-back air, all free. Pack snacks and unwind. As night falls, snag a drink at a taverna near Little Venice. Watch the sunset splash the sky with color, every bit as gorgeous as the posh vistas, but far kinder on your pocket. Day 5, Mykonos, final adventures and smooth exits. Day 5 dawns as your last full dive into this Aegean jewel. Start with a sunrise quest. Snag a taxi from Mykonos town's Mantos Square to Agios Sostis, a 15-minute trip north. This hidden beach shimmers with golden light dancing on tranquil waters, a peaceful dip spot that stays hushed even in high season. Back in town by mid-morning, lose yourself in the maze-like streets. Bypass the polished boutiques for gritty stalls overflowing with handmade jewelry and chunky pottery, one-of-a-kind finds that keeps cash in hand. Grab a euro to go, then wrap your Mykonos chapter by early afternoon. Catch a 2:00 p.m. ferry from Mykonos port for $42 to $64, 2 to 3 hours, or a 1:30 p.m. flight for $85 to $160, 40 minutes, landing in Athens by 4:00 to 5:00 p.m. Ease into the evening with a stroll through Plaka's lantern-lit lanes, soaking in the neighborhood of the gods one last time. Its neoclassical charm glows at dusk. Hungry? Stop at Scolario, where shared plates of grilled meats and tangy dips cap your Greek adventure with simple, soulful bites. Stay overnight at Sofitel Athens Airport. Its shuttle sets you up for a smooth 10 a.m. flight tomorrow. Plan to hit the airport by 8 a.m., roll out at 7:30 a.m., and savor every final moment stress-free. Insider tips. Get the $32 multi-site pass in Athens to zip past Acropolis lines and book ferries early for 15 to 20% off, keeping your trip seamless and easy on your funds. Stick to island buses over taxis. They're just $2 to $3 a ride and hit every key spot without the hefty fares. Dodge overpriced harbor eats by veering a block inland. Same fresh flavors, half the cost. Lingering in Greece a little longer? Slip these 3 wonders into your plans. Naxos, a sprawling island of quiet shores. Gaze up at Portara, a colossal marble gate by the sea, free and towering since antiquity. Settle in Naxos town at Hotel Grotta, steps from bustling shops and savory eats. Milos, a canvas of wild beaches, like Sarakaniko's moon-white rocks. Explore at no cost, pure and surreal. Scoot around on a $21 rental for the day to chase hidden coves. Rest at Milos Bay Suites, a tranquil retreat with knockout views. Ancient Agora, Athens. An old marketplace humming with history, crowned by the temple of Hephaestos, blacksmith god. Yours with the $32 pass. Grab a bite nearby at Tokati Alo, rustic dishes bursting with flavor. That's your 5-day Greek Odyssey, insiders. Loved this trek through timeless lands? Hit subscribe, tap the bell. More escapes await, like our videos on beautiful spots such as Rome, Istanbul, and Las Vegas. Drop your top Greece picks below. Happy trails!